Stretch marks can happen for plenty of reasons, the most common being pregnancy. Stretch marks can also happen during growth spurts or losing and gaining weight in short periods of time. However you gained your tiger stripes, you may want to consider making them lighter and less noticeable. Believe it or not, there is a growing recommendation for using Vicks, with people saying it's like a magic eraser for stretch marks or loose skin after pregnancy. The combination of menthol, thick oils and other skin cooling ingredients are perfect for reducing the vibrancy of even the most stubborn of stretch marks. Many people who use this method swear by it, with some people even saying that it could get rid of marks within just a few days. Whilst the makers of Vicks Vaporub do not claim that it's a product that can actually reduce stretch marks or recommend its use as a treatment for skin conditions or scarring, the product has the anti-inflammatory property of eucalyptus, with women saying that within a week of using it their stretch marks were 60 to 100% gone. Because Vicks Vaporub contains a combination of eucalyptus oil, cedar leaf oil, petroleum, camphor and turpentine oil, these oils combine and make overly stretched skin feel softer, whilst also reducing that dry appearance that makes stretch marks stand out. However, you may have to get used to smelling like you have a permanent cold though. There are two ways you can apply Vicks Vaporub. If you want to decrease the visibility of the awful stretch marks, apply Vicks on the affected area. You will see positive results after 2 weeks of regular application. The other way is to rub Vicks all over your marks and put a piece of cling wrap all the way around your hips. Later, put on a pair of tight leggings and leave it overnight. The marks should be gone when you wake up. If they don't disappear, you might have to repeat this the following night. I hope you've enjoyed this video on using Vicks Vaporub for stretch marks, and if you want more videos like this then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and bye for now.